down, honey. Look at how that's not moving. Clip it. More parting space than a typical 360. Oh my goodness, look at that. Today's video, I'm sharing my favorite install for a sweat-proof hold. This method will last you through sweating, workouts, maybe not swimming. I haven't tested out there, but summertime is coming. I know you guys want more than just adhesive sprays. So I installed today's wig with the method that I use. This wig is from Pretty Luxe Hair. It's a 360 invisible strap. This is their new invisible strap that actually fits around the ear without you having to cut it. We're going to get into all the details. If you like the video, subscribe. Let's get right into it. Today's wig comes from Pretty Luxe Hair. If you didn't know, on their website they have a category where you can buy a lot of different accessories to go with your wig, from wig grips to edge brushes, curling tools, and so many other products. You can check that out if you are purchasing a wig. 360 invisible adjustable strap wig. And the great thing about this wig is that it comes with the ear tab area pre-cut for you so that you will not make a mistake and cut the invisible strap. This is great because a lot of the 360 wigs does not have that ear tab area cut out. So therefore now all you have to do is just put the wig on. You already have that pre-cut area around the ear. This is what the invisible strap look like. They have added an extra strap in there so that longer hold, which also makes it more durable. And of course, they also have the stoppers on there. I have the comb now in the back of the wig along with the grip, so grips on the sides at the ear tab area. Of course, the curls are so pretty, perfect for summer, adjusted to where you want. As you can see, the hairline looks so good. I am now going to take the comb and slide it under my wig cap around the ear. It fits really good. That is so amazing. I am happy that we now have that in a 360 wig because it was much needed. All right, so curly hairstyles is one of my favorite for every day and also just for spring and summer because it is such a low maintenance style. So today I want to show you my install for if I'm doing a long-term wear and I work out, I sweat a lot. This is a sweat-proof wig install that I'm going to show you. It's actually a pretty good method that I came up with. It protects the hairline if you do it right, and it also gives you that really secure hold. So we're going to combine some things in today's video, and hopefully you guys are able to get the best hold with this method. So let's get into it. What we're going to do is start by pulling the hair out the way. Now with this wig, you can wear it without glue, but for my ladies that plan on vacationing, this is a sweat-proof method for you. Take the lace and fold it back. Now your hair underneath should be braided down flat. You should have a wig cap on if you want one. You don't have to have one. And of course you want to start clean, none of your edges in the way. And I don't do this often, but you're going to take some alcohol and clean away any oil on your hairline. Do not get this in your hair. Bring my wig further in front of my hairline, and then I fold it back. So I'm going to take the alcohol and wipe this area. I'm going to go in with skin protectant, and I'm going to wipe the area around the hairline with that. Now I have tape. We're going to start off with tape. They are the same exact tape. This one just has a blue label and then this one has a brown. They both stick the exact same. Just pull it apart. I use about 5. The reason I put the tape there first is because I am going to go in with wig glue. And with the wig glue, a lot of times it's really hard to get it off of the skin. So I always do the glue on the tape. That way, when it's time to remove, I can easily just pull up the tape or release the tape and the glue is off my skin. I'm going to dab glue, avoiding putting it on my skin. Just going to smooth it. Let it dry until it's clear. Just make sure not to put too much. Once it's clear, I'm just going to press the lace down onto it. And I like this glue because it doesn't turn white when you sweat. I've dealt with wig glues in the past that turns white. As soon as you start sweating, it just looks bad. Just trust the process, y'all. Let it cook a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the edge band. Now, I will be sure to put all of these products in the description box for you guys. These are my favorite wig glue for summer and spring. You guys know that I work out in the gym. Curly hair is definitely one of those styles that I can sweat in and not have to worry about curling the hair. With this style, it's very soft, it's very lightweight, it's comfortable, but you get a good amount of density. I'm always in the gym. So it's a big deal for me when it comes to wig glue. If I choose to wear wig glue, I do want to share something with you guys because I've gotten a lot of compliments on my skin lately. I love this product right here. If you are in the gym or you are working out, or even if you're older and you're just looking for a good collagen powder, this one here, love this so much. It supports weight loss, it helps maintain youthful skin, it promotes collagen production and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. I've been taking this for over a year. I have a subscription to this, so if you are looking for good collagen, I'm going to link this below. I've used this so much that they went on and just was like, hey, you want to be affiliated? And I was like, sure. If you use my link, you can get 20% off of every single product on their website. They have proteins, they have pre-workouts, all of that. But this is the one I swear by. It also comes in a different flavor. This one is strawberry margarita. So good. I'll put the link below, but if you want to support your girl, that'd be great. I love this product. I use it all the time. I would not share anything if I actually didn't use it. I use this for sure. I'll put that link below. It's good even if you don't work out. It's your skin looking nice and glowy. Y'all can see my body. Like, I got a nice little glow going on. I love the collagen. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, let that sit for about 10 minutes, y'all. 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna go back in again. With this lace, it's super thin, as you can see. Go in with some melting spray because the melting spray is going to lay down the pieces of lace that you can't see but are sticking up. I can see it. Before you do this, push that hairline back. Push it back, get it out the way. If you have to cut off any extra pieces, please do, because you don't need extra lace around the hairline. Sometimes even with the pre-cut wigs, I find that I have to just do a little bit of cutting around that hairline to make sure it lays the way I need it to. Okay, I'm gonna spray this on the hairline. This is gonna melt that lace down and give a little bit more hold. And then we're going to tie it back down again. The same thing actually applies for this too. After you get everything, the tape, glue, and the melting spray on, you just want to let this sit for, you can let it sit for an hour if you got time. 20 minutes at the most, just so that you can make sure everything is dry and flat. The longer the better. This hair is so pretty, so soft. And they cut out the ear area already, so I'm not mad at that. They put the anti-silicone slip on there. I don't really find use for it that much. I don't really find use for it on the sides because I do glue down or use melting spray. With the parting, you can do all the way over here. So you have deep side parting with this. The 360 wig is great for styling, hairstyles. And look how far I can go over with that parting. You see that? Like I almost goes to the back. Hold on. Yeah, the weft stop all the way back here. I didn't know that. So this one has more parting space, way more parting space than a typical 360. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Y'all, I'm gonna do something with this. Yeah, I didn't know it can do that. So you can do a side part, a middle part, whatever you want. I love the versatility of it. Let me see on the website if it comes in a brown color, because I know some of you guys love the brown. Let's see. But if not, I'll put a collections link in the description box of their 360 invisible strap wigs. I do know that this does have the knotless, it's a knotless wig, so it has like teeny knots, but they do have small and medium cap sizes available. The density, you can get 150, which looks like this, or you can get 180%, and the lengths go all the way up to 20. Ooh, a 26 inch will be bomb. 26 inches will be amazing. Dang, I wish I got a 26 inch. And right now it's actually on sale. So they got a little sale going on right now. So this is what it looks like once I have it secure. It is down, honey. Look at how that's not moving. And I usually don't do this. I hate jerking my head, of course, but you can see that this looks so freaking good. Like, this style by itself is really pretty. Like, the hair is big. It's not uncomfortable. You can add some layers to it if you want to. It's just really pretty. I think these curls are so pretty. Like, you can see how beautiful this is by itself. It's nice and fluffy, easy to work with. It's not heavy at all. I love that. So you can take this and you can pull it up. Let me show you guys something right quick. So if you want to pull it up, just make sure your hairline in the front is completely cured down. Make sure that comb is tucked and you can clip it. This is the side view. Looks really good. One way you can wear it, as you can see, it looks really good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just create some edges right quick because I'm gonna do a half up style with this. Alright, so now pull the hair up, do a really deep part starting right here, just to do this half up, half down style. Just like so. Part away that section. Do the same thing over here. Bring it straight up. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to bend it like this and then pin it with the bobby pin behind it. I'm splitting it in two sections, by the way, when I'm doing this. So one section there, do the same thing, and then kind of create like a bow and then pin it. And that's how it look. You guys, what are you thinking? This is really cute. Minnie Mouse vibes.